Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Home Assistant and set up Matter devices, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for your Home Assistant instance. Press enter to access the Home Assistant login page. You will be prompted to enter your username and password. Type your credentials into the respective fields. Click the Login button to access your Home Assistant dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Devices and Services from the Settings options. In the Devices and Services menu, click on the Integrations tab. Locate the Matter integration from the list of available integrations. Click on the Matter integration to open its setup options. You may need to ensure your Home Assistant is updated to the latest version for Matter support. Review the requirements for setting up Matter devices as specified in the integration documentation. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable the Matter integration. Click on the Configure button once the integration is activated. You will see a prompt to connect your Matter devices. Make sure your Matter devices are powered on and are in pairing mode. On your Home Assistant interface, click the Add Device option. Follow the pairing instructions displayed on the screen. Once a device is discovered, click on it to complete the pairing process. You will then see the device added to your Home Assistant dashboard. Confirm the integration is successfully set up by checking the device status. Customize the settings for each Matter device as per your preferences. Test the functionality of each device to ensure they are operating correctly. Finally, explore additional customization options in Home Assistant for greater control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.